Hi guys! In this video you will learn essential tips and hidden tricks in Microsoft Word. Well, there are many tips and hidden tricks on Microsoft Word. Here are the some hidden tricks and tips on Microsoft Word. First is the lorem ipsum and random text generators. Well, if you type equals rand, then double parenthesis and enter, it will generate a bunch of text and parentheses in Microsoft Word. Well, if you enter a number between the parentheses, which is 3 and 5, and then enter it, you can see now that it has a 3 paragraphs with 5 sentences each. So when it comes to lorem ipsum, just type equals lorem, then parentheses, and enter it. You can see now the lorem ipsum text. If you're not familiar with, basically it's just a gibberish Latin text used as a placeholder. Next is vertical text selection. You can do this by holding the Alt key and then clicking and dragging to select something. It is basically selects in a square shape. Then if you delete it, those blank space are deleted. Next tip is called spike, which lets you cut multiple selection of text separately and then paste them all. So to do that, highlight some text, then press Ctrl and F3. Do this also on the other text, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and F3. And it will be automatically paste together at once. Next step is the hidden feature, which is hidden text. So just type a text, then highlight those texts, and then press Ctrl D. Then in the effects section, just check the checkbox hidden. And then click OK, and those texts will be hidden. If you want to see those texts, just click this icon at the upper center, and it will automatically show in the Microsoft Word. So those are the essential tips and hidden tricks in Microsoft Word. If this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.